Gankers.
Kaya tol. Sa hills kayo duman, nakadaan ako dun.
Ba't sumusuko na kayo, guys?
Southeast.
Gago, lalim ng isa mo, boss.
Daklib, ano yan, Daklib? Ano
May
yun?
isa kasi nag-dip, boss.
Gago, A3 bomb yun ah.
A3 bomb. What you doing there?
Na A3 bomb yun, Miss Spear Serrata yun.
Miss Spearing A3 bomb, why you? Oh my
Tinulungan ko lang, boss.
Why ka Daklib?
Anong ginagawa niya? Ayaw dito stop, ayaw dito full push diba?
Ano, sayang, trinade mo na lang sana sa fucking gear mo, tol. Ganun lang pala.
Okay, again ah. Full push.
Bandits, man.
Just full push, man. Full push the brawlers. Push the fucking brawlers, man.
Wala, malayo.
Ano malayo? Tangina, walang brawler, gago. Kambak.
Hindi bandit, man.
Pangit yung pag mo, boss.
Akala ko push na.
Bandit ko lang, bandit. Buhay ka dyan.
Buhay ako.
Kambak yan, patay.
Don't mind.
Southwest,
Patay isang dito nila, boseg.
Spread, boys.
Come west again. Go inside again. Go west again. You need to be fast coming in, man. Wala naman akong brawler, man. Ano ba tong mga tao ko, DPS na to? Design ba kayo?
Boss player.
Looking na sila, boseg, ha?
Ba't wala kayong damage, guys? Ano ba yan? Looking again, ha?
Open.
Best, can you open, Best? Best, can you open? We have time, I think.
Yan, boss. Chariot yan.
Yeah, it's fine. Enemy's not gonna push here, bro. Just open, bro. Loot what you want.
Nakapag-ready sila.
Who's gonna come here? Where's my regear? You back or what?
We have 6 DA again now. From 5 DA.
Fine, get 7.
Level 7 na tayo.
Dito na si Suzette.
Looking. Oh shit. Okay, buhay.
Don't die. Man, tangina yung mga DPS ko, nakikinis ako sa inyo. Gago. Bakit ngayon pa kayo nag-cosplay kung kaya na malaban?
Come to me, bro. Ang ina mo.
Bandit, huwag kang magawa dyan.
Spread west.
Looking again, pushing.
Pushing. Defense. Wait, gonna do anything, man. Ang problema, wala din tayong magawa. Patayin nyo nga yung isa na yan. Bak na.
There's less than 1 million there.
Saan ka dumaan, Didi?
Sa hills.
Walang gangga.
Come back.
Initial engage pero maiiwasan mo.
Looking now. Tingnan naman tayo.
Kaya, boss, lalo.
Ay, malabas na Daklib. Boy ka. Ano bang ginagawa niyo? Blight ka dapat sa likod ka lang. Bakit lumalabas ka pa ng gate? Wala ka namang hinihil dun.
Bandits, baka dyan. Magbaka dyan, bandits.
Looking na sila ulit, boseg, ha?
Looking na sa'yo. Defensive ka ba?
May nakobot ka.
What do you want me to do, Edgar?
Just loot what you can.
Yeah, I've got what I can.
Magra-rampat na lang ako, boss. Babalik pa ba dyan, boss?
Sige, balik lang. Content eh.
Tangina kasi ano ba yung ginagawa niyong katangahan, men? Ano ba yung ginagawa niyong katangahan? Ba't kanyang kayo ngayon? Anong ginagawa niyo?
Oh,
10
boys,
minutes
sa
Ose, ha? 10 minutes
Pre,
Ose.
tangina, pre. Pag natalo tayo dito, tawanan tayo nito. Rookies lang to, pre. Mga tol.
Ako target nito.
Inching up.
From behind daw sila.
Hey, Gigi, you can hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want push or you want wait for Ricky?
I'm waiting for regear. Defense.
Wait for Ricky.
If I use chariot, I'm overweight, so I'm just gonna stay in Galleon.
Lahat tayong chariot, boseg, ha?
Biancy, ang layo nyo, Biancy. Hindi kayo makakapit.
Nasa tunnel na yung
Ganker.
gankers.
Boy, may ano kayo? May inbi kayo? Hindi kayo nag-i-inbi? Abot inbi hanggang dulo.
Kaya, ano lang ako.
Defensive, boseg.
Looking na yan, ha.
Baka yung iba, mag-3 horse, di abot sa
Ingat.
3 horse.
Boss, may defensive naman ako.
Horse kayo.
Yung
Hey,
iba.
I can push from behind you.
Ang ina, ba't nakatita yung horse kayo? You wanna push?
Yes. I can push from the main door.
Ang
Okay,
sarap
push.
Wait. Lama, control.
Okay, hold. Tell me if we can push.
I pushing now.
Push now.
接头。
Push now.
标记5、4、3、2、1，在。
Push now. Push now.
Tabi to. Push.
Defense side different. I'm getting slow.
Careful turn. There's
Ally had
nothing.
to back out.
Come back.
Nice.
Careful turn.
Come back now again. North, boys. North. Pull back.
Yeah, may royal ako.
要找经典。
Pull.
GT, wag kang mag-night, ano dyan.
Pull back. Didi, back na. Didi, you're not defending anyone anymore. Come back.
Basta pag sinabi ni Bossig na back na.
Slap you, back.
Tabi to.
Wake up.
走。
Nag-OC.
Bro, we pull them again.
Okay.
We can push again. They don't have defensive, maybe.
Putang ina mo. Hindi ko napansin OC ko. Basta
Ready
gamit.
Ready push. Defense. Boys, anong ginagawa nyo, guys?
Trade mo mamaya. Bandit sa
Kamis. Push.
Ready to. Camera ka ba?
Push now. In front. Main. Kamis, push. Come back. Tuloy.
I push now, okay? Or later?
Okay, hold. They come out. Come back. They have engage.
I push, ah. Oh.
They have engage. I need this on me. Push now. They pack up. Push. No defensive. Push. 5 seconds. I'm gonna make a run. Push now. I need silence. Push out this. Push out this. Just wipe. Pull back. Yo, pull back. Too late again. Relax. Careful choke now. Veer. Don't.
Ease.
Come back to S. Stop standing on the fucking gate, man.
Yang. Halika dyan, Yang.
Looking now.
Giga, defensive.
Okay na,
Come sa this. Push. Alright, we pull back. Head palay. We pull back. Head palay. Just pull back. Use anything. Pull back. Boys, you need to be fast. Stop fucking. Oh my god.
Bakal
Ang tumayo pa yung mga gago dito. Baliw. You guys fucking crazy or what? That's fucking choke there. Just standing on choke. No stun, man. Just fucking standing there.
They've just double IC'd.
Careful. O yan, huwag kang magkano dyan.
Hold on. Hold Northwest. I got 2 healers, ha.
Double OC, Buseg, yung mga ano.
Because double OC, man. Double OC. Kanina pa kami na double OC, ha. Come Northwest.
Yung ibang ditang sila walang defensive.
Come on. Pull. Oyang pull. Everyone pull. Just pull back. Pull again. Ready to push again. Ready to push your back, ah. Don't let them go, ah. Push now. Kill the front.
Hilagi.
Thank you. Push. Just push. I'm getting stuck, man. Pull back, I think. Pull back again. We did good. Just pull back. Southwest good. Pull back. Spread west. If they push you, tell me, ah. Pull back. Looking now. Enemy looking now. East side now. Push. Just kill the guys inside us.
Stacking.
Come northwest. Pull. I'm knocking D-tanks. Come northwest.
Looking, tearing note. Looking.
Come northwest.
Yeah, sa atin nun.
Come west.
Defensive.
Come west. Pull. We lack D-tanks, bro. We lack stops.
Ang ina tol, may gangster. Ang hirap.
Walang ganker sa hills, tol.
Meron tol, takinan, initial engage dito ang dami.
Sa hills?
Patay na ako.
Meron nga, tol. Ba't yung ipipilit paano yung mga
Ready to stop. Clear comms na. We're fighting, man. Clear comms. Come southwest. Wala na magagawa dyan, man. Come southwest.
Umikot na sila, sa brim daw, pwede oh.
Looking. Stop now. Pull. Roll them, big clap, roll, man, damage yung, damage on me, big clap sa akin, that's it, man, that's it,
Silent
man.
yan ha, silent yan ha.
Full wipe na yan, gago, full wipe, west, they're running west, defense ready, full wipe, push,
Ready defense, Giga.
push west, they're gonna get full wipe, don't man, push, just push, 10 seconds man, I'm gonna make a column, oh my god, just push, defensive ready, in my front, west side, full chase them, full chase west, don't let them go, full push,
Ryan, patayin yan.
fucking wipe, man.
Donut.
Fucking wipe, push. Just push. Color dead. Push. Just kill them, man. Yung sword. Gucci yung sword.
Ha? Di. Ang shit ng sword.
Ano shit? Ang gago, patay. Mo. Oh my god. Just wipe. Kieran, may ox ka?
Mount
Wala.
up ba?
Nakakaya yung stag.
Nasa
akin.
Akin may nasa akin.
What you want? We need to move. Tagon, daming fuck up, men. Yung comp pa lang ang fuck up na. Sabi ko sa inyo, pinagpipilitan kasi nitong ibang member natin yung mga build nila eh. Naka-bad type eh.
Naka-zone siya.
Easy fight lang to eh. Wala tayong D-tanks, wala tayong buwis. Kaguan eh. Ang tagal natin dun, nakikipagkupal, men.
Boss player.
Ayusin yung build nyo, guys. Comp natin, guys. Huwag na kayo mag-invento ng